Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best lock pick set is probably one of the most intriguing and potentially useful tools you can own. Whether you're a seasoned locksmith, a security enthusiast, or just curious about how locks work, this video is for you. We're diving deep into the world of lock picking, exploring the different types of picks, and showing you how to get started. Get ready to unlock a new level of understanding and maybe even a few doors along the way. Number 5. SCHLAGE Camelot Touchscreen Deadbolt, Satin Nickel, B469. Introducing the SCHLAGE Camelot Touchscreen Deadbolt. This smart lock integrates seamlessly with your home automation system, offering enhanced security and convenience. Enjoy the ease of voice control with Alexa. You can lock or unlock the door with a simple voice command. A hub is required and sold separately. It features a touch-screen keypad and a traditional lock cylinder. The door thickness range is 1.37 to 1.75 inches, fitting standard door preparations. The Deadbolt stores up to 30 personalized user codes. This allows you to manage access for family members or guests easily. It has a built-in alarm with 3 alert settings. Powered by 4 AA alkaline batteries, it offers robust security with ANSI Grade 1 certification. With Z-Wave technology, you can remotely lock or unlock the door via the web or your smartphone. It offers a secure and convenient way to manage your home security. The durable resistive touchscreen has a matte finish. This helps protect against fingerprints and smudges, keeping it looking great. What we like. This smart lock offers seamless integration with your home automation system. It allows you to control your door remotely and receive alerts. If you value convenience and enhanced security, especially if you're already invested in a smart home ecosystem, then this is a great choice for you. What people say. The picks are well made and the handles are comfortable. The kit has a good selection of picks and tension tools. The case is nice and keeps everything organized. Number 4. EASlLOK Twist-A-Lock Deadbolt, 2-pack. This deadbolt lock allows you to lock the door with a simple twist, no keys needed. It's a convenient and secure way to ensure your door is locked, especially when you're away from your keys. The anti-mislock button provides extra security. It prevents accidental locking, giving you full control over the twist-to-lock feature. You can disable it when not needed. This lock includes an unpickable night latch for added security. This robust mechanism enhances safety, offering peace of mind, even if previous key holders still have their keys. Building on the classic deadbolt design, it offers new features for more options. This deadbolt is designed to be user-friendly and provide enhanced security. The twist-to-lock mechanism is perfect for everyone, including the elderly, children, and those with disabilities. It's also great for hands-full situations on various doors. It fits standard doors, with adjustable latch back sets. Installation is easy, and it's designed to fit most common door sizes. What we like. The twist-to-lock feature provides a keyless mechanical locking solution. The anti-mislock button ensures you always have control. If you have elder people, children, or disabled people in your family, or if you often have your hands full, this lock offers unparalleled convenience and security. What people say. We absolutely love the fact that we can basically turn off the locking mechanism when we're all inside the house and no one should be coming in the house. Also, this thing is stainless steel throughout the entire assembly. It's large, silky smooth and easy to turn, just be aware it could be a bit ungainly depending on your door decor. Number 3. SONGMICS UJBC 152G01 Jewelry Box with Mirror. This jewelry box features 4 rows of hooks, perfectly designed for necklaces of all lengths. They hang without tangling. It's a simple solution for keeping necklaces organized. Inside, you'll find a convenient mirror for quick makeup checks. It also includes a lock and 2 keys, keeping your jewelry safe from children. Made with PU, sturdy MDF, and soft velvet lining, this jewelry case is built to last. The neat stitching adds to its durability. You can count on it for years to come. Surprise your loved ones with this stylish jewelry holder. It's a great gift for birthdays or anniversaries. Or, treat yourself, you deserve it. This jewelry box offers ample space for all your jewelry. With 5 drawers, it can hold watches, bracelets, and more. It helps you keep everything organized. What we like. This jewelry box provides organized storage and a touch of elegance. It features a mirror and a lock for added security. If you are looking for a stylish and functional way to store your jewelry, or if you want to surprise your loved ones, this jewelry box is the perfect gift. What people say. This jewelry case is very thoughtfully configured to accommodate various sizes and shapes of jewelry. The sides that open up to reveal a place for necklaces is very convenient. Plenty of room for all my bangles, baubles, and beads. Super happy that it takes up less space than my other ones. Number 2. Lock-picking guide for beginners and intermediates. Are you curious about the art of lock-picking? This guide is designed for complete beginners. It provides a comprehensive visual walkthrough to get you started. This guide uses clear visuals to demonstrate each step. It breaks down the process, making it easy to understand and follow along. You'll learn the fundamentals quickly. Whether you're a complete novice or have some experience, this guide helps you improve. It covers techniques for both beginners and those looking to advance their skills. This guide is up to date with the latest techniques. It's a timeless resource that will serve you well for years to come. It's a skill that can be learned by anyone. With this guide, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to pick locks. It's a fascinating skill that can be both challenging and rewarding. Get ready to unlock a new world. What we like. This book is designed for beginners and intermediate lockpickers. It provides clear visual instructions and covers a wide range of topics. If you're looking to learn the art of lockpicking, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need. What people say. The picks are well made and the handles are comfortable. The kit includes a good variety of picks and tension tools. The case is compact and keeps everything organized. Number 1. PolyHero Dice Rogue D20 Lock and Pick Set, Cold Iron. Introducing the PolyHero Dice Rogue D20 Lock and Pick Set in Cold Iron. This unique set is designed for tabletop gaming. It's perfect for any rogue character. The dice are crafted to resemble locks and lockpicks. This adds a thematic element to your gameplay. It's a great way to enhance your role-playing experience. The cold iron finish gives the dice a sleek and stylish look. It's durable and easy to read, ensuring you can quickly see your rolls. This set will be a great addition to your collection. This set is ideal for any rogue character in your D&D or Pathfinder game. It adds a touch of realism to your character's skills. The set will make your character stand out. Upgrade your gaming experience with the PolyHero Dice Rogue set. It's a fun and functional addition to any tabletop game. Get yours today and roll with style. What we like. This set features a unique design inspired by the rogue class. It's a great addition to any tabletop gaming collection. If you like unique and thematic dice, or if you're a fan of the rogue class, this set is a must-have for your next game night. What people say. The picks are well made and the handles are comfortable. The kit includes a good variety of picks and tension tools. The case is compact and keeps everything organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.